Hey everybody, Elves and Coco at your service. Thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to learn Last Christmas by Wham! Don't forget to check the description box below for my Facebook account kung gusto niyo pong mag one-on-one guitar tutorial tayo for beginner. And also, makikita niyo po sa baba yung ating chords sa description box. Alright, just get into the tutorial. Grab your guitar and let's begin! Para sa ating first chord na ituturo ko sa inyo, yun yung C odd 9 na kung saan gagamitin natin sa ating first na verse. C odd 9, second fret string number 4, third fret string number 5 and number 2 natin. 5 and 2. Yan, yung C odd 9. Or para hindi kayo mas mahirapan, ganito na lang yung posisyon ng daliri nyo. Yan, C odd 9. Sounds like this. Next, C major. I-release lang natin itong pinky natin at itong C major natin. Again, on the first fret, string number 2, second fret, string number 4, third fret, string number 5. Para sa ating C major. Next, A minor. On the first fret, string number 2, second fret, string number 3, and number 4. 3 and 4. Para sa ating A minor. Skip natin ang string number 6. Hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for A minor. Next, A suspended 4. So, sa A suspended 4, change lang natin yung eto into dito. So, hindi natin i-change yung ring finger natin at itong middle finger natin. So, cutting A suspended 4, fret, second fret, string number 3 and number 4. Third fret, string number 2. Repeatin natin to. Okay. Kasi mag-A minor tayo mamaya eh. Mag-A minor tayo mamaya. Then, i-press natin tong A suspended 4 para hindi na kayo mahihirapan mag-change ng position ng finger ninyo. Compare kung gaganito kayo. Yan. Tapos mag-A minor na naman kayong ganito. So, change, still yung kamay ninyo, ganito yung position ng A minor ninyo. Para mamaya sa inyong A suspended 4, release nyo lang itong index finger at itong pinky, ilalagay nyo dito sa ating third fret, second string. Para sa ating A suspended 4. D suspended 2 on a second fret, string number 3. Third fret, string number 2 para sa ating D suspended 2. At ang ating D minor, same position, huwag niyo pong alisin to. At ito, sa ating D minor, first fret, string number 1. Yan. Again, second fret, string number 3. Third fret, string number 2. Para sa ating D minor. Skip string number 6 and number 5. Hit 4, 3, 2, 1 for D minor. Next, G suspended 4. First fret, string number 2. Third fret, string number 1 and number 6. 1 and 6. Para sa ating G suspended 4. Okay? Yan. Yan, G suspended 4. Lalagay niyo lang po yung ating middle finger dito, pero muted siya. Wala siyang tunog. Okay. Again, G suspended 4. At sa ating G major, release nyo lang tong index finger, same position ng ating pinky. Again, 2nd fret, string number 5, 3rd fret, string number 6, and number 1 for G major. Para sa ating intro, C add 9, 2 counts, then C. This time, down, up muna yung gagamitin nating strum pattern. C add 9, 1, 2, then C, 1, 2, then yung ating A suspended 4, 1, 2, then A minor, 1, 2, okay, again, from the top, A suspended 4, A minor, then D suspended 4, then D minor, then G suspended at yung ating G major. Again, G suspended 4, strum pattern number 2, which is ang down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. So, 4 counts natin na 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yun po yung down, down, up, down, up. Three, go! Down, up. Which is ipi-play natin ng 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, and
Last Christmas you gave me my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten, twice shy. I think my sister, but you still catch my eyes. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, this very doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I love you all the same. Bitten will sing hallelujah. Now I know what a fool I've been. But if you kiss me now, I know you will be again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
that's the song. I hope you guys enjoy this lesson. I hope you will play this many, 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 many years to come. Again, Merry Christmas! Bye-bye!